Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to add funds to Steam account, and now let's dive right in. Now to add funds to Steam account on your computer, first open up your Steam app and log into your account on which you want to add funds like this. I have already logged into my account on the Steam app, guys, and on this interface at the top right corner of the screen you can see there's a username available for us with the drop down menu or the drop down arrow. Click on your username with the drop down arrow at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the account details option available for us, which is the second one. Just below view my profile, click on the account details and you land over here where you can see there is the button available where it says add funds to your Steam wallet over here. In order to proceed to add funds to your Steam wallet, first click on that button where I'm hovering, where it says the add funds to your Steam wallet, and this kind of interface will appear where you will be able to choose the amount of fund to add to your Steam wallet, ranging from minimum of 5 USD to 100 USD. So I'll be just going with the 5 USD over here. So to do that, let's click on the add funds over here and you land on this interface where you will be able to choose your payment methods like PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover and JCB. So choose your payment method over here and enter your details like your card number, your expiration date, your first name, your last name. Go through these details, and on the next step click on the continue button over here and finish this process. And after you finish this process, guys, your funds will be added to your Steam account on Steam. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to add funds to your Steam account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.